Welcome to the OROSYSTEM app. Let's get you set up. Tap Sign Up at the bottom to begin. First up, the basics. Enter your first name and last name. Next, type in your active email address so we can keep in touch. Now, add your phone number. Make sure it's correct. We'll need it for verification in a moment. Select your date of birth, hit Confirm, and tap Create Account. Step 1 is officially done. Time to secure your account. Create a strong password that ticks all the boxes, confirm it below, and tap Create Account. If your network is Globe, wait for the OTP. But if your network is smart, no worries. Just use the temporary code 000000 to verify your phone number. Now, let's verify your email. Keep an eye out for a notification. Grab your 6-digit secure OTP code and enter it right here. To keep things ultra-secure, log in with Face ID or Fingerprint. Let it scan your face or finger, and just like that, you're in. Welcome to your new companion app, ready to streamline your day.